Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. And to know what's today's video, just sit still and keep on watching. Hey everybody! So this order of mine arrived yesterday and I gotta open it right now. I'm actually really excited for this because I just want to to video anything quickly, and I can attach this one to any surface, especially table like that. So this is the USB connector, switch button for sure. Wow, it's quite heavy guys. And connector for the iPad, iPhone, or your phone. Wow, this is heavy. It's crazy. It is really, it is heavy. I can tell it is durable because it's heavy. This is the light. Look at the resistance of the metal. It has a good resistance. This looks like a stethoscope. Okay, so this is a clip. Wow, this is a big, huge clip. I like it. This is a huge clip. This is about 3 inches. And let's see the resistance of this. Wow, this is so strong. Look at that. That's hard metal. The resistance is very strong. It's good resistance. So it can clip to any table or any surface. I like it. Look at the spring. It's so big. Okay, so let's see. This one very adjustable. Let's take this plastic off wrapping first. Now how do I get this wrapping off? That was easy. Alright. One more. Wow, it feels so strong. Look at that. It is so, the resistance is so good. It is very hard. It is sturdy. Look at that. It is really cool. So this one, connection for that. There you go. So that, just like that, just snap it on. And oh, this is it. This is the adjustable right here. It is very adjustable. It can turn 360 degrees. You can tilt it like this, like that. Let me see my phone. So this is just my phone. it holds my phone very good. That can adjust, this kind adjust more depending on the width of the phone. It's sturdy, I like it. It's manageable, adjustable. This one right here is a hard rubbery stuff. Okay, so let's see. So it can go like that width depending on the width of your phone. And this is the lighting right here. So this gonna have to be connected all the time to electricity or your power bank. Let me get my power bank. Now, one thing really important, if you need to get out, if you don't have a power bank, you gotta be needing to plug this to the AC adapter, or they said you laptop or power bank. I'm not sure if I don't know if I can hook direct AC AC DC to this, but yes, let me try it's very convenient, guys. If you have a power bank, this is what I bring with me whenever we went to Disney World, because I always run out of battery in my iPad, my phone. So right there, it's already plugged, and let's turn it on. Let me turn the lights off. So, oh, there it is. It's lighting up. I guess this is the first setting, first brightness. Let's click the second. That's the second. That's the third. Wow, the third is pretty bright. Look at that. Of course, it's in the video, so it's really here. Let's see that. So that's just the first setting. This is the second. That's the third. It's pretty bright. You cannot really tell it very correctly on the video, but in person it is so bright that I think I'm gonna need my shades. It is really bright. That's the third. I like the lights. It's awesome. Because I usually film using my iPad Touch, because it's so easy, it's so convenient. I can just video anytime, and the light is very important when you do video, as to get that high quality result. But if I'm really want to video a very, very high quality, I always use my DSLR for video. But for quick video, like I do toys review, and so I do that in the table. So this one, that's why I got this, because it's so easy to hook in the table, and I don't have to struggle with my DSLR hooking up. So this one is really bright. I like it. That's all. First, second, third. You cannot really tell it in the video, but in person it is so bright. This is really enough lighting for making video toy review. It's awesome. Like it. Now let me show you how to hook this up. Let me just hook this up. Awesome, there we go. It's then the lighting is adjustable. Hold on a minute. So that's my lighting there. And let's see, phone, touch that. So right there. There you go. I can video anytime and video toys. Oh, like this Play-Doh pizza. My daughter made that. So that's how I can do it now easily. Let's see. Let me close the window. Now it's really dark in here now. I close the window. Now this is the first setting. See, that's the first setting of the light. And then second, that's the second. This is the third and last. See how pretty bright that is. It is so bright, guys. You might need your shades. It's pretty cool. It's pretty smart idea to do this. This is exactly what I need. Because see right here, I can just sit down here. Because if I use my tripod, I can't really sit down in this area. And with this connection like this, I can sit down and do toys video easily and quickly. Plus, it's so convenient. I like this, really. This is what I really need. I should have really bought this like many years ago. So I don't have a problem about doing video. This one is adjustable as well. Can depend on your liking. It is pretty hard. This thing right here, this is super hard. This is durable. It's not flimsy like maybe you're thinking it is flimsy and cannot hold up its shape. It's not. It is very hard. It is very firm. Look at that. It is nice. The lighting is so amazing. I love this product. Why didn't I have thought of this? I I could have been selling this like pancake. Guess what? I was really struggling in how to video quickly and easily using my table sitting down. I just went to Amazon and just searched I just searched iPhone, you know, I guess I put a iPhone portable holder with light. Oh, I guess I remember. I put a iPhone video lighting. That's what I just put, and this came out. This came out like in the 5th list, and I said, this is exactly what I've been wanting. Holy cow. I can't believe I waited so long to search, because I've been struggling really. Sometimes it's really a hassle to video on DSLR because you need a tripod, really a big tripod. But of course, it's very high quality. But again, I'm just videoing toys, and you know what? Believe me or not, as long as you have a good lighting, even if you're just using an iPod Touch or your phone, if you have the correct lighting on your video and you make it, it will really look awesome. It will look high quality, believe me. I've been doing videos, and the lighting is a very major role in the video, video making success. And this is the right product I need. It's amazing. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna let you see also the actual video that I will be taking using this product. So this is the actual video using the gadget, and it's pretty dark. So this is, I did not use the light yet, so I can show you something. So this has no lighting of the product, and now I'm gonna use the light. I did not close any window. I have a ceiling light and the window is open, so I just want to see the result. This is the light, first, second, third. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna turn off the lights here and close the window. That's the first setting, second, and third. And I need to adjust the lights going to the product. So it's actually better like this if it's all dark, the surrounding is dark. Because this way the right color will pop up in your video. That actually works pretty good if you have your surroundings not so bright, because the exposure can actually damage the color of the video you're making. So this one with this light setting right now, My ceiling light is off. The window is closed. I'm only having the product lighting right now. So you notice how rich the color, and you can actually see the quality of the toys. Let's see that. You also need to focus your camera, so you can actually see the color properly. It's recorded properly. This one is so surprising because this purple, the actual color of this is like kinda light purple, but in the video it's awesome. The color is so rich and bright. It is very pigmented in the video. I'm filming using my iPod Touch 5G. And let's see here. Got the chicken. Now I'm hungry for chicken.
So much.
And these grapes, wow, the color is very enhanced. That's what I'm telling you about lighting. Is very important. Can actually brings out the best color. This one is not really so dark purple in actual, but on the video with the correct lighting you will be using, it will really get darker in color. It becomes rich. I prefer this. I really like it. This one looks so orange in the video. Yeah, the key to filming is the lighting. You gotta have a nice lighting. Let's see this. I like this one. You wanna eat buddy? So this one is really cool now. I also have the newer LED lighting from the DSLR. I can also add that up if I want this to be even more brighter. But right now this is really good lighting. So if you have questions, just leave it in a comment below. Thanks for watching. Hold on. Hold on, guys. You're getting so noisy. Let's see this piece. Micah. What do we have here? This is a tomato. We have an egg. Look at the chicken. Look at Sissy, the chicken is so cool. Look, the chicken, Sissy, it's so cool. And we have a brown egg. We have a potato. This is a peanut. Let's turn. No lights. This is the first setting of the lights. And second. And the third. I'm using the third right now. Let's see if I'll turn on the ceiling light. Here, the ceiling light is turned on. ceiling light is turned on, so the surrounding here is brightened up. You can also do that if you want to. It looks better like this, I guess. Like I said, because the reaction of the video, the internal, it will actually adjust itself. So you just have to find the right setting for the lighting. You either have to turn off some lights or add some lights, depends on you, and depends also on the product that you are filming. With this right here right now, the product lighting is on and my ceiling light is on. Now let me turn off the product lighting. See the difference? I'm just using right now the lights on my ceiling. It's just it's 2 bulbs lighting, and then see, it's not quite quality, it's dark. And I'm turning on now the product lighting. It's the first, second, and third. So it looks better like that. Plus, if you press the middle anywhere in your iPod Touch, especially iPhone, iPod Touch, while filming, you can lock the autofocus and the exposure on the film, so it doesn't keep changing. You know what I'm saying? The exposure, auto exposure will keep changing if you don't lock it. So you can also do that. So for now, I guess I'm done with this review, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye. Be sure to check out my other videos, guys, over here, or here. And if you're not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. See ya.